If you don't like feeling unclean after using the bathroom, you're not alone. Many people share this discomfort, and it's a common issue that often goes unspoken. The feeling of not being thoroughly clean can be quite unsettling and can affect your confidence throughout the day. But still use toilet paper, you might be wondering if there's a better way. Toilet paper has been the go-to for generations, but is it really the most effective method? Let's explore some alternatives that might leave you feeling fresher and more comfortable. Then it's time to rethink your routine. It's always good to question and improve our daily habits, especially when it comes to personal hygiene. So, what are the options available and how do they compare to the traditional use of toilet paper? So, what's the most efficient way to clean your rectum after defecation? This is a question that has been asked by many, and the answer might surprise you. There are several methods, each with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Experts agree, bidets are the gold standard. These devices, which are common in many parts of the world, use a stream of water to clean the area thoroughly. Not only do they provide a superior clean, but they also reduce the need for toilet paper, making them an eco-friendly choice. They use water to gently cleanse, reducing bacteria and irritation. Plus, it's eco-friendly. By using less toilet paper, you're contributing to less waste and a healthier planet. The gentle stream of water can also be soothing, especially for those with sensitive skin or conditions like hemorrhoids. But if a bidet isn't an option, what's next? Not everyone has access to a bidet, and that's okay. There are other methods that can also be effective in maintaining cleanliness and comfort. Wet wipes can be a good alternative, but beware. While they are convenient and can provide a better clean than dry toilet paper, they come with their own set of concerns. It's important to choose the right type of wet wipes to avoid potential issues. Many contain chemicals that can irritate sensitive skin. Look for alcohol-free, fragrance-free options. These types of wipes are less likely to cause irritation and are generally safer for regular use. Always check the ingredients to ensure they are suitable for your skin type. Now, let's talk about technique. How you clean is just as important as what you use. Proper technique can make a significant difference in how clean you feel and can help prevent issues like irritation or infection. Which hand should you use? This might seem like a trivial detail, but it actually has cultural and hygienic significance. In many cultures, the choice of hand is an important aspect of personal hygiene. Tradition and hygiene guidelines recommend using the left hand. Why? Because the right hand is often reserved for eating and other clean activities. This practice helps to maintain a clear distinction between clean and unclean tasks. Because many cultures reserve the right hand for eating, this tradition helps to prevent the spread of bacteria and maintain better overall hygiene. It's a simple practice that can have a big impact on your cleanliness. Hold the cleaning agent, whether it's toilet paper, a wet wipe, or a bidet spray nozzle, gently but firmly. The goal is to clean thoroughly without causing irritation or damage to the skin. Or a bidet spray nozzle, gently but firmly. Make sure to cover the entire area and use a gentle motion to avoid any discomfort. It's important to be thorough but also gentle to maintain skin health. Aim to clean from front to back to avoid spreading bacteria. This technique is especially important for women, as it helps to prevent the spread of bacteria from the rectal area to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Academic studies show that regular use of water for cleaning can reduce the risk of hemorrhoids and other anal discomforts. Water is a gentle and effective cleaning agent that can help maintain the health of the delicate skin in the rectal area, can reduce the risk of hemorrhoids and other anal discomforts. This is because water cleaning is less abrasive than toilet paper and can help soothe irritated skin. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your comfort and health. Remember, this advice is general and not a tailored medical recommendation. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to find a routine that works best for you, and not a tailored medical recommendation. For personalized advice, consult your healthcare provider. They can provide guidance based on your specific needs and health conditions. That's 30 Sec Health IQ Knowledge 72 by lapprove.com, your source of Nopal. We aim to provide you with quick, reliable health information to help you make informed decisions about your well-being. Assemble your knowledge through daily info. Revise, distrust, and subscribe. Stay informed and take charge of your health with our daily updates and tips.